Did you know that boring AI video editing is so good that it can grow your YouTube channel with more views and sales and save you hours of editing? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to combine Claude Code and Remotion into your new AI video editor for your talking head videos so you easily get simple motion graphics that make your message easier to remember and turn more viewers into customers. And if you're a coach, consultant, or creator who's running a business channel, then you don't need those crazy Vox-style animations or viral views to convert. I use the same AI video editor I'm about to teach you how to build, and it not only edited the video you're watching now, but it's already made my little bitty new YouTube account my highest converting channel for my school community, even though I only have 46 subscribers. But my LinkedIn has over 74,000 followers, which means it's 1,608 times larger, but 3 times less effective at driving sales. All right, so here's step 1 to leaving hours of video editing behind. And if you don't want to build any of this yourself, you can just copy mine in my school community. It's already built with all kinds of animations like data diagrams, flowcharts, and more nuanced animations like zooms and pans. So click the link in the description if this is for you. First, create a folder on your desktop called Animations, then open the desktop application of Claude Code or Codex. Start a new session in the top left, and then select the Animations folder so Claude Code or Codex is working in that folder. Number 2, give Claude Code or Codex this exact prompt. Set up a new Remotion project from remotion.dev so you can create new motion graphics for my YouTube videos. If any prerequisite is missing, explain it to me in layman's terms so I can approve the installation. Once Remotion is installed, Claude Code or Codex can create all kinds of motion graphics simply by taking verbal instruction from you. So that brings us to number 3, actually creating the motion graphics. And this, my friends, is where your business content gets way more engaging. While in the same session, give Claude Code or Codex this prompt. Create an animated line graph, an animated bar graph, and an animated pie chart that I can use for motion graphic overlays in my YouTube videos, then render an 11-second video showing me examples of each animation. Use example data for now. The line graph you're seeing on screen now about YouTube growth is an example of what you'll get. And you can tell Claude Code to adjust the colors just like you're seeing in the bar graph now. Plus, you can reuse these for any data points you want, which is why you see the pie chart showing job growth stats instead of YouTube stats. You see what's happening here? We're vibe editing by telling Claude Code or Codex what we want and then receiving new animations in return. Yesterday, I was building new animations with Claude and Remotion and had it build me the zoom and pan introduction cards. The first one has a phone with a graphic pop on page. Then it does a 360 spin, slides to the left, then outlines the 3 points of the video. The second one starts similar, but then spreads into 3 cards, zooms to the first card, then pans to card number 2 and number 3, followed by a full screen zoom out. And the final one has a goal in the center, followed by a zoom to the top left and a pan that goes to the right, then to the bottom in the motion of a triangle before zooming out to a bird's eye view. And all of the text, colors, and motion can be completely customized. If you can see it, it can be customized. So here's a simple prompt for Claude Code or Codex to recreate something similar. Create a simple title card animation where a rectangular image slides onto screen from the bottom, does a quick 360 spin, then slides to the left. After it slides to the left, do a quick zoom to the card, hold for 2 seconds, then have a second card slide to the middle and have the camera track with the card. Then have a third card slide to the right and have the camera track with the third card. Then gently zoom out so we can see a bird's eye view of the completed animation. So that was a bit of a mouthful, but don't worry, I put the prompt in the description so you can copy it. And look, you might need a few back and forth conversations with Claude, but with a little time, this is doable. But there's one more thing that's super powerful to pair with all of this. If you're using YouTube for client acquisition, you'll want animations that showcase client wins. So let's create a 5-star review testimonial, a company logo testimonial, and a case study snapshot. To do this, just tell Claude Code or Codex, create an animated 5-star review testimonial, a company logo testimonial, and a case study snapshot. And here's what that looks like using my actual client testimonials. For the 5-star testimonial, my client Shima said, "Ryan changed my life. I went from 1 year of almost $0 to a 6-figure coaching business." For the company logo testimonial, I've built and shaped content projects for YouTube, Cinemark, T-Mobile, Chipotle, Nissan, and Pepsi. And for the case study snapshot, we'll use my client Maya, who crafted a new offer, earned $30K from her first offer launch, then added another $70K only 60 days later. And those are just a few examples to get the creativity flowing. You can always ask Claude or Codex to push the limit and create more with any style you want. If you're first starting, it takes a few conversations with Claude Code or Codex, but once you've built a library of animations, you can have your coding agent reuse and update them for your videos. And if you'd rather just get the pre-built system so you can start editing videos right now, then join me on School via the link in my description. It will completely edit your raw videos by automatically adding scenes, transitions, and motion graphics to your talking head videos. And I'm creating new motion graphics every week, so our library of animations continues to grow. Claude editing your videos is making it faster and easier to grow a business on YouTube, so there's really never been a better time to upload. And if you want to upgrade your AI video editor so it automatically cuts the dead spaces and misspoken words in your content, then watch this video next.